Hey guys, Justin with Summit Racing here, and welcome to part 2 of our Ram build series. In part 2, we're going to be tackling our lift, wheel and tire package, and our Taser module install. Let's jump right in. Truth is, a new set of wheels can make the biggest impact on the look of your truck. Summit Racing offers a wide range of wheel brands and styles, but we went with KMC Dirty Harry Series matte bronze wheels, and we think it's obvious why. While adding aftermarket wheels is a no-brainer, it does require some amount of work to make the larger wheel and tire package fit, but that's okay because we're planning on upgrading the suspension anyway. ReadyLift SST lift kits are the perfect solution if you want to add a little more lift. These are the first ever mild rear lift kits that allow you to use larger wheel and tire combinations while maintaining OE ride quality and handling. ReadyLift uses something called smart suspension technology. That's the SST to make these kits very user-friendly to install and require no cutting. This particular kit gives the Ram 3.5 inches of lift for additional ground clearance with no compromise to the drivability. This kit includes CNC machined billet aluminum front spacers, fabricated steel rear spacers, and heavy-duty control arms. We'll have separate videos covering the installation process. With our suspension modified, we've got a better handling truck, a more aggressive appearance, and room for those new wheels and tires. We wrapped our KMC Dirty Harry Series wheels in Mickey Thompson Baja ATZ P3 tires. These tires have a unique hybrid design between an all-terrain and a mud-terrain to give you the grip you need for your weekend adventures, but also provide you the smooth ride to get you down the road in comfort. Plus, their PowerPly 3-ply sidewall construction offers improved puncture resistance, and a unique compound gives them an increased cut and chip protection. It's worth noting that many modern wheels leave little space for standard acorn lug nuts. So we ordered up a Spline drive lug nut installation kit from Mr. Lugnut. It includes a Spline driver tool, 4 valve stems, and narrower lug nuts. Everything we need to get the KMC wheels on our Ram. Our lift and larger wheel and tire combo gives our Ram a whole new look, but it also requires a recalibration of the speedometer to give an accurate reading. While that may sound like more work, we're excited because it gives us an excuse to try our Z Automotive Tazer plug-in programmer. The Tazer unlocks factory features by merely plugging in place the SGW module. Once in place, it allows you to easily adjust your vehicle's settings for gear ratio, transfer case low ratio, and yes, tire size. And that's only the beginning. We'll have a dedicated install video that will take a more in-depth look at all the features as well as the setup of the Taser. We got our lift installed, our wheels and tires on, and our Taser module all set up to accommodate our changes. The transformation has begun, but we're not done. What about the rest of the appearance? We'll be dressing this Ram up in part 3, so stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe for more of our Ram build, tech videos, and more. I'm Justin with Summit Racing. Thanks for watching.